In this video, I will show you how to add your business name and logo in your Google Ads campaign. To do this, just go and open up Google Ads, and in the left menu under Campaigns, simply go and click on Asset Groups right here, which you'll find by clicking on the drop down. And here you will find all of your asset groups. Now just go to the asset group that you are using for your campaigns, and then what you can do is click on Edit Assets. And now here under Assets, scroll down. And there you will find your logo, so you can upload up to 5 different logos. Now I just have this one right here. I recommend uploading a dark logo so that it is actually visible. And then if you want to upload your logo, what you can just go and do is under the logo section, click on plus logos. Then you have your suggested ones, or you can click upload and then upload from your computer, or for example Google Drive or Dropbox, and then click save, and then you will have added the logo. Then for the business name, right under the logo you have that, so here just enter your business name, and after updating all of that, just click save, and then you will have added your logo as well as your business name to this asset group, which you can then apply to your campaigns. So now you know how to add your business name and logo in Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.